Police Colonel Michael D. Cruz, Sir. To our Deputy Chief, Police Regional Training Center 3, NOIC of Administrative Section, Police Lieutenant Colonel Jaime V. Piocho Jr., Sir. To our Chief Academic Branch, Police Major Noli S. Sedaria, Sir. To our Officer in Charge, Non-Academic Branch and DFO, Police Lieutenant Marian P. Gorzon, Ma'am. To our TESPO, PEMS Anthony C. Jimenez, Sir. To our Pastor, Welmer Kiambao of Life Source Church, Sir. To all the training staff, to my fellow PSDLC Class 2024-02 and 03, non-uniform personnel, good morning. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude sa pagkakataong binigay niyo sa akin to be the class president of this prestigious leadership training. This is both an honor and challenge for me, and I am ready to face it with your support. Sa ating mga instructors at facilitators, maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon sa pagbabahagi ng inyong kaalaman at karanasan. Ang inyong guidance na magsisilbing gabay namin as we embark on this journey of growth and learning. To all my fellow trainees, this is the journey that we will share together. We have been chosen to be here because of our potential to lead. And it is up to us to prove that we are worthy of this trust. This training will not be easy, but I am confident that with determination and teamwork, we will overcome any challenge that comes our way. Leadership is not just a title or position. Ito ay isang responsibilidad at isang pribilehiyo. Sa bawat akbang na ginagawa natin bilang mga leader, tayo ay nagiging halimbawa para sa iba. Hindi lamang tayo tagasunod ng mga utos, kundi tayo rin ay nagiging gabay at inspirasyon para sa ating mga kasama. Being a leader means having the courage to stand up for what is right, even when it's difficult, even when it is wrong in the eyes of other people, as long as we know that we are right in the law and in the eye of God. Ito ay nangangahulugan ng pagiging handa na gumawa ng mahirap na desisyon at pagtanggap sa anumang mga responsibilidad na kaakibat ng mga ito. A true leader does not seek power for personal gain, but uses it to empower others. Sa bawat desisyon na ginagawa natin, kailangan natin isipin na hindi lamang ang ating sariling kapakanan, kundi ang kapakanan ng ating mga nasasakupan. Leadership is about service. Serving those who look up to us, serving our communities, and serving our country. Ang tunay na leader ay hindi takot magpakumbaba at humingi ng tulong dahil alam niya ang tagumpay ng isang leader ay tagumpay ng buong grupo. Minsan, ang pagiging leader ay nangangahulugan ng pagsubok sa mga gana ng ating kakayahan at pagtitiwala sa ating mga kasama. We cannot lead effectively if we do not trust the people we lead. We must build a strong relationship grounded in mutual respect and understanding. Bilang leader, tayo ang unang nagbibigay ng tiwala at sa pamamagitan ng tiwalang yon, mabubuo ang mas matibay at mas matagumpay na samahan. Moreover, leadership is about continuous growth. Hindi tayo maaaring tumigil sa ating natutunan. We must strive to improve, to learn new things, and to adapt changing circumstances. Sa bawat araw na lumilipas, tayo ay bagong pagkakataon na maging mas mabuting leader kaysa kahapon. Finally, let us remember that leadership is a journey, not a destination. Sa bawat akbang natin ginagawa, nagtuturo sa ating kamandaan, patuloy tayo magsikap na maging leader na hindi lamang ginagalang, kundi minamahal at sinusunod ng buong puso. We are here not just to learn for ourselves, but to become better servants of the people, to protect and to serve with honor and dignity. Before I end this speech, let me share with you the two of my favorite virtues. The virtue of perseverance and the virtue of humility. Perseverance in leadership is about weathering the storms that inevitably arise, while steadfastly steering the ship towards its destination. It's about fostering a culture of resilience, where setbacks are viewed as roadblocks, but as opportunity for growth. But perseverance alone is not enough. We also need the humility to face the weakness that causes the failures. The humility to listen and learn, to strive the best, and not for myself, but for the entire group. I would like to give credit to PSSG David and PSSG Malubay. Thank you to our course coordinator, PSI Dorcas Rochelle Astudillo, and tactical coordinator, PNSG Gerald S. Mercado. And finally, to my PSGLC class 2024-03, Delta family, for their continued support and guidance throughout this journey. Ang ating tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi para sa ating komunidad at sa ating bansa. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful and inspirational message.